Okay, we have another problem. And that is, if P naught is $10,000 and R is 0.04, the question is, how long is it going to take us to get to $16,000? Now I asked people to write down the equation for that, and they actually did quite well with it, okay? They said, okay, P of t is 10,000 e to the 0.04t. Everybody got that, so that was good. I hope that continues when you do the homework, and I hope you do the homework. Okay, so P of t equals that. P of t is going to be $16,000 when what? When this 10,000 e to the 0.04t equals 16,000. And people pretty much got this. Okay? Now the algebra details are really pretty straightforward, but that's actually giving people more trouble than the properties of exponents and so forth. So we've got to be careful about that. Well, what do we do to solve? Well, we do something very similar to what we did up here. Here we divided by P naught in order to isolate the e to the 0.04t. Well, here we're going to be able to isolate the e to the 0.04t. All we have to do is divide by $10,000. And we have to do that, of course, to both sides. And when we do, we have 10,000 over 10,000, that's 1. And that times e to the 0.04t is just e to the 0.04t. And 16,000 divided by 10,000 is 1.6. So now we have e to the 0.04t equals 1.6. How do we solve that? Well, we turn it around to a logarithmic equation. We could think we take the natural log of both sides, or you can just use the rules and turn it around. And you get 0.04t equals log base e of 1.6, being the natural log of 1.6. And of course, then you have to divide both sides by 0.04. So, write that out. So we get t equals the natural log of 1.6 divided by 0.04. How do you get this? Well, natural log of 2 comes up often enough that we eventually start remembering it, maybe. If we've got a good ability to remember numbers, and if not, we keep punching it in. That's not going to hurt anything. But the natural log of 1.6, I can't give you a good estimate of the natural log of 1.6 without thinking about it, okay? I'd have to do Taylor expansion to get a good estimate, or envision the graph with enough accuracy to make a reasonable estimate. Then I'm not going to do that. I'm going to punch that in, okay? So I got to punch it in, you got to punch it in. Punch it into your calculator, natural log of 1.6, evaluate that, divide by 0.04. Or if you understand that dividing by 0.04 is the same as multiplying by 25, you could use that. Okay? So there we have it.